Hi, I'm Fernando. I'm a data scientist at WorldFish. So my role is all about supporting WorldFish missions of improving livelihoods and nutrition in agri-food systems. So my role is still evolving, but a big part of it is championing effective data products in the organization. Um, these products can be apps or visualizations or models or dashboards or things like that. And this is part of what is called digital transformation, really. The important thing about these products is that they really add value to the life of the fishers, and they really support decision making in fisheries and aquaculture. I think it's a very important part that we do useful data science and not just the fancy data science, which can be a danger there. And the second part of my role is more about collaborating and supporting other researchers in WorldFish when they have some data science problems. So again, this can be like real-time data or big data or advanced analytics, apps, or some sort of complex visualization, these kind of things. I'm just here to help as much as I can. Data science is a pretty quickly evolving field, and there are a lot of trends coming up right now. In the past, most of the innovations tended to be around technical issues, but I see now a move towards a bigger focus on the human aspect of data science. There are like three trends that I can see are particularly relevant for WorldFish. The first trend is focused on human-centered design. That's nothing really new, but it's something that is gaining momentum in data science right now. And that's because many companies and organizations realize that many of their data science products are technically right, but effectively wrong because they are not helping the way they were hoping to. They are not being used sometimes. So what data science as a field is learning is to start from the end and designing a solution backwards. And it's a solution that is rooted in empathy for all the humans in the loop, really. Because otherwise the chance of producing value is minimal. The second one is responsible AI. It's not about numbers on a spreadsheet, but it's actually about the humans behind it. There are like three components to it. The first one is thinking about the impacts of the decisions that are made with the data. The second is designing for privacy and confidentiality. So you may be aware of some scandals over the last year. So the whole field is more aware of these issues now, and more aware of respecting people's privacy, really. And the third one is about measuring and mitigating biases in the data. People is more aware that algorithms can discriminate and algorithms can be unfair. So there's a lot more emphasis on making sure that that doesn't happen. The third trend is graph analytics, or also called network analytics. And traditional data analysis is about having a table basically with entities and the attributes or characteristics of those entities. But now we are realizing that the connections, the links between those entities are as important as the entities themselves. So if we think about it, individuals, communities, markets, ecosystems, they're all interconnected, and what happens in one has repercussions in others. And I think there are a lot of insights there when we look at those interactions between these entities, exploring, understanding better what the structure of them. WorldFish inherently works at the interface between ecological and social systems, and there are a lot of complex interactions there. So I do think that there is a lot of potential there, and lots of insights to be discovered by looking at those interactions, in particular for fisheries and aquaculture. Thanks.